Hi guys, welcome to my channel Boeing by Badhusha. Today we are going to see unboxing of Osmo Pocket from the brand of DJI. And DJI is well known for a company of an action camera, drone. Come up with the world very tiniest gimbal camera, which comes in a very sleek box, and it comes with a 2-year warranty and coverage of damage as well as water dip and two-way, and it's made for iPhone specially, and it supports for Apple Store as well Google Play. And DJI Osmo Pocket comes in a very handy box. Let's go. Yeah, here we go. This is an DJI Osmo Pocket. It comes in a good box and it's an accessory kit, and let's see what's more inside. And these are the usual manuals which will be go through always. And yeah, let's wait. Is any other stuffs inside? Yeah, if you have time, you can go through with the Osmo Pocket DJI manual, and it's lots in it. Then we go ahead with the pins, the adapters, and these are the accessories box which come in with the official packing of DJI. Let's see what's inside it. It comes with a Type-C charger which supports universally, and comes with a lanyard which is very handy in camp, so we must use the lanyard for our safety. And it comes with the two adapters. One is for a Type-C and one is for iOS. So DJI we can connect to iOS as well as the Type-C. It's supposed with the Android as an iOS, and it's in a charger now. In the world it's universe, so we can use for a Type-C charger and lanyard. It's from an official brand of DJI. And these are the two adapters which we use to connect in the mobile. One is for iOS, one is from the Android. And let's unbox the main thing of DJI Osmo Pocket. Yeah, it comes with a very handy sleek case. It's an official case provided by DJI. It's made up of hot solid plastic and it's very strong, and it measures only 6 inch, the world tiniest, and it has a 3-axis 3 health. And the specification of DJI Osmo is 25.7 mm f2 lens, 80-degree FOV, and it comes with the 2 buttons. One is for on off and one is for a shoot mode. And this DJI is also made with a solid plastic, but it's not water resistance. It's not waterproof. There are many extension kit available for the water resistance as well as waterproof. Yeah, then it comes with an official sticker which should be unboxed before switch on the camera. Yeah, let's switch on it. Wow, it comes with a DJI logo, and from here we can select our official language, and all the settings can be controlled in that very tiny screen. And once we want to activate the DJI, we must download DJI Memo app in our phones and connect it and register for the first time for all the official warranty to be claimed. As I bought in India, it has only the seller warranty, not from the official warranty. I got in a good deal from India. Then we can have like photographic, video mode, and slow-mo, as well as video, hyperlapse, and motion lap, and easy save. Easy save is an option which directly store all photos and videograph in the phone, and it has a unique panoramic view, like it gives for 180-degree panoramic view and 3x3. it will take a single view of picture in a 3 angle. It will give in a single output. And in the video mode, it has a pro and basic. In pro mode, we can have a photograph JPG plus RAW, as well as 16:9 and auto ISO and 60 flicker speeds, and we can have our grid lines and all. It comes with a unique features which has a follow-up mode, and this is the panoramic view 3x3. This is a 180 degree of a panoramic view. The camera clarity, it comes with a beautiful control. Like if we select for a D-Link cinema, it gives an optimal vision which we need not to edit. We can directly shoot and share with our friends in the social media. And in video, it has a 1080p, 2.75K as well as 4K, and it is better to go for a 4K with 30 frames for a better cinematic view. Then we come for the hyperlapse, and it gives a very unique hyperlapse mode. I will post the video which is shot by the DJ Osmo in future. And it has an 1600 shutter ISO and a shutter speed of 1.12. It has a slow follow, fast follow, and it comes with a tilt locked and FPV mode and a follow-up mode. Then in time lapse we can use it. And hyperlapse comes with a motion detection. It's come with a motion lap. Then it has a unique feature of a face detection front view camera. Beginner bloggers is very finding difficulty to handle the camera, so it goes with a selfie mode. It is very easy for bloggers like me to continue in the beginners. And it has a unique handy style, and once we detach, it comes for a memory card slot which supports 256 micro SD, and it has a very unique tiny screen, and it's very good stuff when we used with a good 4K camera as well as the djiosmopocket. And in that, if we left scroll, we can go for the video mode, time lapse, panoramic as well as photo. Then we go for a right, it comes with a setting of AFC and everything. When we drop down, it go for a settings, shutter speeds, motion lock as well as AFC, then pro mode, then brightness and tilt lock, and all the features can be come in this. Then we go for a down from up, it comes with the battery health as well as the on off power mode settings and calibration and tilt lock, and all the features comes in the down from bottom. This is for a recenter camera. Once we lost the target signal for a follow-up mode, once we press that button, it will recenter to the previous mode. Then this is for a fast follow and slow follow. This is also tilt lock, FPV and follow-up mode. So all the features can be handled as well as connecting to the phone as well as in the same djiosmopocket. Let's go through the djiosmopocket specification. It comes with a 12MP resolution, 4K Ultra HD, 50, 60, 30 frames, 100 to 3000, built-in gimbal, and it weighs for 116 gram, world tiniest gimbal camera. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, share and comment.